Hello everyone, I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. Today is December 27th and we're so close to the end of the year. It's crazy how it's going to be 2022. But anyway, today's video is going to be all about earring. But not just any earring. All of these options that I'm going to be showing you don't require any piercings. Like, my ears have no holes in it whatsoever. My family basically has a rule where I'm not allowed to get my ears pierced until I'm 18. But even when I turn 18 next year, I think I'll still stick with clip-ons and just these alternatives, because you don't have to decide on a specific location. You can literally move it wherever you want, all over your ear. Let's get started. I always talk so freaking much. The first one is an ear cuff, which wraps around the middle of your ear. This one shown is made out of wire specifically. And I got this one from Etsy. It was really affordable. I think it was $6. It's handmade, which is super cool. When you first get it, you adjust it to your ear size and shape. The wire is just really easy to adjust. And once you have it, it's really comfortable and you don't even feel it on your ear. This is the only ear cuff style I own at the moment, but I just love the chain that hangs down. Later on, I'm definitely ordering more styles on Etsy because they come in so many different colors, designs. For any clip-on earring or just fake earring accessory, whatever, I think the main thing is if it will stay on, just not falling off of your ear. This one won't move. Moving forward, we're talking about clip-ons, which was the first backing style I've ever tried. As a young girl, I was obsessed with these from Claire's. Just the ones that belong here. I wore these to homecoming. Okay, they aren't bad. They just start hurting after a few hours. During homecoming, by the end, my ears were kind of red. Really strong, like they won't fall off. For this type of backing, it has a nice cushion. But one little downside to this is you can kind of tell it's fake. Take this one for example. Like, it doesn't go through a hole in your ear. So it's just not as realistic as other ones I'll show. Still a great option. This makes me look like especially with this pajama top, a rich mom. Go like that, it just comes off. And you can tell it's kind of rusting because of how old they are. Oh, wait, I need to wear these ones more. They're cute. Next is a favorite of mine, which is a Huggies style. And you press it back. It's super lightweight. This one, you won't even know it's there. It's so realistic that when I wore it for the first time at school, everyone was asking me if I got my ears pierced. Look at that. I got this one from Precious by Kate. One last thing to note is from my personal experience, they have made my ears a little sore after I take them off at the end of the day, but it's nothing too bad. Moving forward, we have these what are called invisible clip-on earrings because of the clear backing it has. It's made out of this flexible rubbery material. So to put it on, you just open the clear backing. Literally can't feel it. This type I wear at school and it lasts the whole day. One thing is they're more easy to slip off because they don't have as good of a grip. I have lost one pair, I think, because they got caught in my clothing when I was running outside, and if you just pull it off, it comes off. Since they're clear and lightweight, they have been the most comfortable to wear. Again, I got them from Etsy. Most of these are from Etsy because I'm obsessed with Etsy. I also have my own Etsy store if you want to go check it out. The last one here though I'm showing, it's like a black diamond. It's pretty heavy, so it does weigh down the ear and falls off really easily, especially with the clear backing. I definitely recommend, if you get the clear backing one, to get one that's not as heavy for the charm. What number are we on? I'm thinking this is the 4th type of backing. So this style is the only one I found for hoops. It's a twisty, really easy to put on. Also, you can get help from this. It snaps back. Wow. Etsy also. Snapping it back and putting it on. Then to just tighten it, you just twist, and there you go. Very stable on my ear, won't fall off. And judging it on how real it looks to a real piercing, from the front and side it looks fine, but then on the back you could see the twist thing. So I guess it wouldn't really look good if you had it in a like a tight pony where you could see the back, but with your hair down it definitely would look so real. Okay, now that I went through all the earring options, dangle options, I think there might be more out there. I haven't tried. Those are all I've tried. I have one more huge ear accessory to show, because they're just ear cuffs, and you can get them on Etsy because I sell them. I make all of them. Oh, heart. But these would definitely be for like super fancy occasions, or I mean, you know, I would just wear them daily because they're cool, so why not? If you have an ear, you literally just hook it up on the back, and it goes from the front where there's a charm. From the front they just look like a dangle, but on the side is where you can see all the action. These don't hurt at all. One thing is, with too much movement, it could like just slide a little off, but once it just goes back in place. But you could also bend them smaller or that way to make it bigger for your ear. And they work on both sides. That one has 4 slots to put the charm. Recently I got 7 slots. It's so much on the side. After trying them all again, I think I said like everyone was my favorite. Honestly, I wear them all really often. I think you guys just have to, I don't know, after watching, just find what you think will work the best for you. Anyway, I hope you guys find this video helpful, because I feel like when I was younger I would want to see this video before possibly getting a piercing. Okay, I did way too much talking. Everyone, please have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Love you.